So we got our hands on the brand new Note 7 Pro, which it's a blue colored phone. So we have this made in India tag on its back. Then let's take the time to open the seal. I'll need something to open it. We have got our hands on the brand new Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is extremely difficult to have in these days. It's a Neptune blue color phone, 464 variant. Now let's open the case. On the onset, we have this manual, which most probably will be having some reading materials, some basic information, and then this is a brand new cover. That's a silicone cover, which is pretty good build. And here we have the phone itself. Alright, so it's a very interesting looking phone. On the back, the blue color tempered glass finish. It's a solid phone that feels premium in the hand. So let's get rid of the stickers and all the tags. It's a quite decent looking phone and a sturdy one as well. So let's boot it up till the time it boots up. Redmi by Xiaomi. Other than that, we have the basic USB Type-C port cable and a 10-watt charger, and that's a bit. So although this phone supports Quick Charge 4.0, but we'll have to purchase it separately. So let's just quickly set it up. So describing the form factor, it is a slightly thick chin in the bottom, but fairly less bezels on the side. We have the volume rocker and the power button on the left side and the right side, and the power tray here and the SIM tray here. On back, it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 added to it, and it has a slightly more camera bump, and there's something written right here. So 48 megapixel AI dual camera. So the blue color is actually quite interesting. On the bottom, it has a Type-C port and the speaker grills. It has a IR blaster, which is standard in all the Xiaomi phones, a noise cancelling mic, and a 3.5mm audio jack. So now we have set it out. Now let's first go to the camera and let's see how the 48 megapixel camera. So it says it's an AI camera, and the AI camera automatically detects and optimizes your photo based on this information. So so one of the good things in this phone is the night mode, which gives essentially extreme clarity in the night, and so we can shoot 4K videos with this phone. And if I go to the settings, we do get the so in this mode we have we do get the 48 megapixel option to start the 48 megapixel option. So the images captured by this would be extremely detailed now. Although it takes a bit to process the 48 megapixel photo, but the detail in those, even after zooming in quite a lot. All in all, it's a nice phone. We'll be doing a detailed review of the camera and the performance later. It runs on Android 9 Pie. I'll just show you. It runs on the MIUI 10.2 out of the box, and if I go to alright, thank you guys. So this was the complete unboxing of this phone. We'll be getting back with some detailed reviews and camera comparisons